Yeah? What are you standing around walking away for? Yeah, you were just in here. Come here. Yeah, there you go. Alright. Your butt hit my boxes there. Yeah? You good, girl? Yeah? Alright. Alright, everybody. So you had a little intro with the dog. So today we're going to look at a video here that I am making currently right now, as you know, because you are watching it as I am making it. That just didn't make any sense, so let's just replay. Hey, everybody, guess what? I'm working on a 1961 Pontiac Catalina from Mobius Models. I actually started this one about a year ago or so, but when I was painting the body, I had painted the red, I taped it off, painted the black, and then when I took the tape off, the red was just peeling right off. I was using Duplicolor paints with that. So I had put it back in the box and said, I'm going to come back to it one day. Well, fast forward to earlier this week, I took it back out of the box. The box has a bunch of other stuff in it, so we're not going to open the box. So, my workbench is a mess here. I don't usually like having a messy workbench, but right now it is. So here is the chassis. It was already built up. Need to do a little red touch-up paints here. This is looking pretty decent. Simple. Like I said, I did this a while ago. It needs some parts in it. The engine looks pretty good. I was working on some parts here. Here's the exhaust over here. Let's just put the box down. That might be easier. Alright. Yeah, I painted the exhaust here, and these are the back tail light covers here. So yeah, that's all going to go on the bottom here, and this is going to look really good. I got to tell you, I was doing a really good job on this car here. It's looking real nice. Got discouraged by the body. So then I got the pieces here. So what I did was I stripped the paint on the car. So here's the car. I stripped the paint on the car, put it in the purple pond, got all the paint off of it. It came off nice on this one. Then I did Tamiya paints. Like I said, the original was Duplicolors. Did some Tamiya paints. Came out real nice. Did the chrome trim on it. The chrome looks a little sloppy. The lines were not as well defined as I thought they were. You could probably hear the furnace kicking on in the background. So yeah, this came out real nice. I have a few coats of the quick shine floor polish on it. I do it with a shot glass. There's a video I can link below on how I do that. So this is getting ready here for decals. Maybe later today after filming here, I'll start putting some decals on it. So got to do a little finishing on the hood latch there. The hood I painted. Now this is kind of a funny story. So I paint outside, obviously, the spray paints outside. I love that shine. See that shine? Spray painted outside, and it had rained earlier that day, and then I spray painted outside, and I put it under the on the table, which is under my balcony overhang, and it had some condensation on the roof of it there, underneath, and it dripped onto the hood. It kind of effed it all up. So this is all going to get sanded down and redone. This is nothing but Tamiya TS49 bright red, so it's not like it's a fancy color. Get that back. But yeah, it's all screwy-dooey there. So I'm going to get this sanded down, repaint it, get the red markings there, and then we'll get this on here like this. Yeah, we'll get that looking good. Don't worry. So, yeah. So, if I can find the box again, 1961 Pontiac Catalina here, Joe Weatherly's old NASCAR one. I love Pontiacs. I love NASCAR, so why not do an old NASCAR? So this one, bad boy here, should be finished probably within the next week or so, if everything goes well. And you know what? I'm going to take that back. It's probably not going to be finished within the next week, because it's supposed to be like -30 all week out here in Chicago. So I'm probably not getting outside to paint anytime soon. But at least the decaling on his here should be pretty good. No reason why I can't get most of this body done. That hood ain't going to be done. So, once you match it up to the body, it's going to look real nice. Really liking it so far. Alright. So anyways, that is just a quick update on a 1961 Pontiac Catalina. And for shits and giggles, a Pontiac Pinchy. Alright. Wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, I wish you all well.